Hi, I'm cold, just a little. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. AR Car Reviews here again with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the Tymate TM7. Tymate was fortunate enough to send this to us, the channel, to review. So we're going to be doing a review on this. So this is going to be for all of you guys who've ever ran into tire problems, seem to always just be getting flat, and you need a little sensor in your life, you know, to see what that actual tire reading is. I know my car doesn't have a sensor reading. The only thing my car actually does is tell you whether or not your tires are flat, which is really bad if you actually want more information about your tires. So these tires right here are summer tires. They did not come with a TPMS sensor. I had to manually install them for like $100 and something, which is way too much money. With this technology provided by Tymate, it alleviates all of that. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these sensors out of the box, you're gonna put them onto your wheels, and then you're gonna plug the monitor into a cigarette lighter. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. The reason why I actually wanted this product was because right now I'm running summer tires on my car, and as you can see, it's not summer. I want to know the temperature of my tires just in case it gets really cold. Right now I think it's like 30-20 degrees, and summer tires need at least 40. Relatively speaking, cars past 2008 all have TPMS sensor. My Mustang is a 2013, you guys know that. This is going to tell you a lot more information. I'll list some of that information on the screen right here so you guys can see. The only thing you have to be careful of, if you have to make sure that you're actually going to put it on the right tire, not right tire like the right side, you have to put it on the right tire because it gives you directions like left front, right rear, that sort of thing. So this one is LF, so we're going to put this on the left front, and then we're just going to follow that for all the other sides as well. All right, and just like that, we're done with all the sides of the tire. Now we can take a look at the tire and see how it looks. All right, please ignore my dirty tires. Like, bro, winter is just eating out at these tires, bro. Do you guys see the salt? Like, bro, what? This stuff is crazy. So you guys can see right here, it comes in with a little sticker. Like, typically I really don't like these things that much because they always kind of tend to look really obvious, but I like the way how they just have a black sticker on top of it. So if you want to keep the black sleek look, you could just like take off the sticker, but then you better keep track of which one goes on each tire. But yeah, apart from that, it's really low key and it doesn't make your tires look ugly or anything. And I really appreciate that. And then finally, we could actually sit down inside of the warm car. Installation done. That has to be the easiest process there is. So I can actually see how cold or how hot these summer tires are running in the winter. Isn't it kind of interesting how hot or cold summer tires are in the winter? Because I won't lie, these tires are rock. Like, they're legit rocks right now. This is the satisfying moment that everybody loves to see. Let's see it. There we go. All right, so plug it in. All right, and it's telling you the TPMS sensor. Okay, yeah, it says that there's no battery. So you see right there, it says no battery, no power, baby. All right, so let me go ahead and start up this car. Okay, so it's starting to get some readings. Wow, okay. Let me start up the car. Yeah, hear that, y'all, hear that. Okay, now I got 3. So it got 3 out of the 4 tires. And now I think it's just waiting to pick up that tire. So it's just waiting to read the information. But you can see right there, it says that it's like, oh wow, okay. So all my tires are 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty good. And it has like a 27 PSI. So it could be a little higher, but I think for winter. So essentially that's the whole installation process. And that every time you drive, you're able to see the temperature of your car's tires. You're able to see everything, like the temperature and the PSI, which is really cool. So another thing the Tymate TM7 is able to do is it's able to tell you whenever your PSI drops below 15% and also when it raises above 15%. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to drop the PSI for one of the tires and see if it picks it up. The things I do for you guys. So this is kind of like to mimic like a slowly kind of in a car. So you can see that all the PSI is kind of coming out. Let's see if it's gonna read it on the radar. I think it should show that it's at least dropping PSI. Okay, it sees that it's going to 24, 25. Let's see, come on, drop it some more. Again, this is probably like the best way to actually like do it without taking out the sensor. There it is. Look at that. So it's able to tell you that. And the funny thing is, look at this. My car hasn't even said anything about it yet. That's flipping cool, bro. Like, look at this. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. But so basically what happens is the sensor notices that my PSI is dropping to 22%. To my car, it's just like an average day. Okay, so I'm gonna fill up the air in the tire, but I feel like that's really cool. And that's real life situations where you're basically gonna be in your car, driving, not thinking anything is wrong. And before you know it, you got a flat tire. This is gonna let you know that you're losing PSI and that you actually need to take care of it ahead of time. So essentially that's been the video, guys. If you guys like the TM7, let me know in the comments down below. Is this something that you bought? Is this something that you have already? If you use the link in my description, it will come back and help me out as well as help the channel. So I appreciate you guys if you do that. Again, shout out to TM7 Tymate. It's a great product. You guys seen it right here. I can't really do a lot of other tests with it because it's cold, I'm freezing. But I feel like you guys would love this product, and it's something you would definitely use, you know what I'm saying? If you don't have, and my honest opinion of it is, if you have like a newer 2025, 2024 car or something like that, you definitely don't need it. But if you got like a 2010, 2012, because you know TPMS sensors came out at that time, but it wasn't really good. If you got a beater or any type of car like that, you need to get you one. You need to get you one, I'm telling you. Because you're gonna see you got a flat tire and it's gonna mess up your whole day, bro. It's gonna mess up your whole day. The Mustang says hi. This is a prime dust stain right here, you feel me? Thing is dirty. It's not as dirty as some of these cars I've seen in New York City. Like, look at that. Thing is black. Should be white, but it's black. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys support the channel, at least click the link and check it out. I feel like you're gonna like it. And again, Tymate, thank you so much for considering me for the sponsorship. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. AR, out.